Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are doing well and studying hard. So, moving on, we will start with our fifth chapter, which is mouse and input device. So, let us learn in details about the types of mouse and how to use it. A computer mouse is an input device. With the help of a mouse, you can select things on the monitor. You can use a mouse while playing games and while drawing pictures. A mouse has a wire which is attached to the CPU box. A mouse should be placed on a mouse pad so that it works properly and smoothly. When you move the mouse, a white arrow moves on the monitor. This is called a pointer. A pointer is used to point or select icons. Next is types of mouse. We have different types of mouse. Earlier times we had only 2 or 3 buttons mouse, but nowadays we have 4 types of mouse. First, one is scroll mouse. A scroll mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel in the middle. Scroll wheel is used to move a page up or down. Second is ball mouse. Ball mouse has a rubber or metal ball under it. When you move the mouse, the ball rolls and this moves the pointer on the screen. Third is optical mouse. Optical mouse does not have a ball below. It uses right to move the pointer. Nowadays, Razer mouse is available. It needs a Razer right to sense the movement of the mouse. And the last is wireless mouse. Wireless mouse does not have a wire to connect to the CPU box. It uses signal to connect. A wireless mouse can be a ball mouse or an optical mouse. Now we will learn how to hold a mouse. If we hold a mouse with our right hand, then our index finger should be on the left button and the middle finger should be on the right button. As you can see in the picture given on the left side. Now if we hold a mouse with our left hand, then our index finger should be on the right button and the middle finger should be on the left button. You can look at the picture given on the right side. Next comes the mouse actions. We can use the mouse in various ways. These are called the mouse actions. Let us learn about them. First is click. Click means to press the left button with your index finger and release it quickly. Once it makes a click sound. A mouse click generally means left click. Click is used to select things on the monitor. Second is double click. Double click means to press and release the left button 2 times quickly. It will make a click sound. Double click is used to select and open a program. Next is drag. Drag means to press the mouse button and move the mouse while keeping the button pressed. Drag is used while drawing pictures. Next is drag and drop. Select an item on the desktop and then drag it. Now release the mouse button. The item moves to the new place. This is called drag and drop. Next is scroll. Scroll means to move the scroll wheel with your index finger. This action is called scrolling. The scroll wheel is used to move the page up or down. Last is right click. Right click means to press the right button and release it quickly. This also makes a click sound. It is used to open a list of commands called a shortcut menu. So with this we have completed our 5th chapter. I hope you all have understood it. So study well. Question and answers and exercises of this chapter will be uploaded on the website. Write the question and answers in your notebook and do the exercises in your textbook itself.